Welcome to the iPhone Basics tutorial. Your iPhone is more than just a phone. It is a small mobile computer and has many different operating functions. In this tutorial, we will briefly cover how to save a contact, how to make a phone call, how to send a text message, how to take a picture or video, and how to install an app. Please note that some looks and features may vary depending on what version of the iPhone you have and which personal settings you have to work with. Let's get started. First, we will go over how to save a contact. Tap on the contacts icon, then the add button, which is the plus sign, and proceed to type in your new contact's information. Tap Done to save. Now, let's make a phone call. There are two ways to make a phone call. Tap on the phone icon and use the keypad to dial numbers, or tap on the contact and touch the number you want to dial to start calling. A general rule of thumb for making phone calls is green to send and red to end. If you miss a call, simply tap on Recents for the caller ID or tap on Voicemail for playback. Now let's send a text message. Tap on the Messages icon. Compose New using the paper and pencil button. Enter the name or phone number of who you're sending the message to. Tap your finger in the message bubble and begin typing. Tap the up arrow to send. Now let's take a picture. Tap on the camera icon to take a new photo. The camera with the arrows button will switch from the outward camera to the selfie mode. The white circle button will snap your picture. Likewise, the video setting works in a similar fashion. Swipe to switch to video mode and tap the red circle button to record. Lastly, we will search for an app in the App Store, the blue button with a white A for app. Apps are the quick buttons on your screen that can be helpful for recipe indexing, photo editing, bird watching, and gaming. There really is an app for just about anything that interests you. You can search popular and trending apps or do a keyword search to help you find what you're looking for. Once you find what you want, tap the Install button, usually preceded with a password for security reasons. For further assistance, please set up a one-on-one tech appointment at the Milton Public Library at 608-868-7462 or check our current program guide in person or online for upcoming Tech Talk classes. Thanks for watching.